Hello everyone. So I do have this PS4 console. The customer told me that it's been dropped when they were using it, and the HDMI cord was connected to it, and after that they have a problem with the display. So that's the HDMI port. It doesn't look that bad. Put my HDMI cord, connect to the power. I'm gonna push the power button. Let's turn on this TV. Yeah, when I tested it the first, I got the display. Yeah, like now I think I'm gonna have the display. No picture, but it detects something. So I'm gonna wiggle it. Yes. Okay, I can try it for you.
Dad,
Yes.
can I ride on the cube or
Right here, like if I wiggle it, I got the display. So the console turns on when I wiggle the HDMI cord. I got the display and the console boot to the login screen. It means the hard drive is good, because a lot of time when the console is dropped and the console was on, the hard drive was spinning, may cause like scratch in the hard drive disks, and that require to change the hard drive. Or at the moment, this require just to fix the HDMI port. So this is the board, and that's the HDMI port. The HDMI port itself, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, I can tighten it a little bit and it will be okay.
Dad?
I was thinking the metal plastic that's holding the connectors, holding the pins, is pushed in, but it's not. It still looks good. But what I see here, a little bit look like some pins, they have a little crack on them. So you can see the pins, there is some of them, they look like there is a crack. They still making connection when you wiggle. Definitely there is a little crack under them. So we're gonna solder it. So now the hdmi is hard to push it in, so that's what it's supposed to be, like this. Now moving like the power cord. Console is on. Let's see if we can see the display. Yep, we have the display. I'm wiggling it. Display, it stays strong over there. I didn't put the hard drive yet. That's why it's going to take a long time in this. It's going to take a long time to boot, and it's going to give us an error of the storage. Yeah, because there is no hard drive in it, so that's why it's. And here the storage error. So I'm just going to put it all together and give it back to the customer. This is all for this video, and see you next one.